Gus Schmidt, and I'm back again with a new trading video. So today I'm going to be trading Forex currency pairs utilizing my binary quant trading engine. The binary quant trading engine is a trading recommendation bot that recommends 5 and 15-minute trades for me on the various currency assets here. So what you're looking at here currently is the user interface, the dashboard of the quant engine, my binary quant engine I've coded, programmed, developed, and tested and refined. And if you look to the left here, the quant engine has various assets available to trade. It trades Bitcoin as well as 19 major and minor currency pairs, including Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, Euro, US dollar, Great British pound, Aussie dollar, and so forth. What you also see here, I have a live execution log and a latency feature here to the top right. It's running at 135 milliseconds. The latency feature tells me how fast the price data feed comes into the software and analyzes the data from the price data feed. So the latency is very low. Currently, it's running at 50 milliseconds. I also have an audio alert feature, which you can turn on and off. We'll keep that on. And then to the right here, we see uh, trade alerts that were generated. For instance, here we have a Euro JPY put or short signal of 5 minutes short. So what I'm going to be doing is I have my pocket option trading platform here set up here, and I have all my currency assets. I'm going to be trading regular currency assets, not the synthetic assets that are available, not the OTCs, just the regular currency pairs. Quant Engine only works with real assets because we're pulling the price feed from the global forex markets and not the OTC or the synthetic data that the pocket option platform has in-house. Okay, so like I mentioned, the engine trades on the 5 and the 15-minute time frame, so it recommends 5 and 15-minute binary option signals for me. So uh, I've already built everything into the engine. All you do is wait for a trade, wait for a signal, go to your trading account. It also works not only on Pocket Option, but other uh, binary options trading platforms like Close Option, IQ Option, Deriv Broker, and other available binary options trading platforms that trade regular Forex pairs, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for a signal. Okay, so the binary quant engine just recommended a trade here, Aussie dollar Swiss franc 15-minute put, as well as a US dollar JPY. Okay, so we have some signals coming in here. All right, let's take the US dollar Canadian dollar 5 minute short. So I'm going to go to my US dollar Canadian dollar asset here. So we check the asset and it's telling me to take a 5 minute short. So I went ahead and took a 5 minute short. You also want to make sure that your trade time is set to the time that the quant engine recommends for the binary trade. So we're taking a 5 minute binary trade here, US dollar, Canadian dollar, 5 minute short or put trade, a sell trade. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video till about 30 seconds left in the trade, come back and check the results of the trade. Okay, so I'm back with a few seconds left in the trade here. I took this short at this level here. The binary quant engine recommended a short at this level. We have just a few seconds left in the trade. Initially, the short occurred here. There's a slight retracement, but we went ahead, we won that trade. All right, so the binary quant engine accurately predicted this 5 minutes short. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and wait for another signal. Okay, so the Quant Engine just generated another signal here, a Euro Canadian dollar, uh, 5 minutes short. So let's go to Euro Canadian dollar. Let's find the Euro Canadian dollar here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take a short. All right, so I just took a short on the Euro Canadian dollar here. The Quant Engine recommended the short. So what you do is you quickly go into your trading account like I did here and go ahead and take the short. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video till about 30 seconds left in the trade, come back and check the results of this Euro Canadian dollar short signal. Okay, so there's about 30 seconds left in this Euro Canadian dollar short. This trade is about to expire here, so let's wait for the expiry of this trade. Okay, so that trade was also in the money here. Uh, this is the signal again, just to recap here, the Euro Canadian dollar short, the Binary Quant Engine recommended. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back, pause the video, and wait for our next trade signal. Okay, so the Binary Quant Engine just generated a Great British Pound, Japanese Yen short, 5 minutes short. So let's go find the Great British Pound, Japanese Yen here. Uh, where is it here? Do we have it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so 5 minutes short. So let's go ahead and take a sell trade here at this level here. Make sure the timer is set to 5 minutes. We selected our Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. Uh, the Quant Engine tells us to take the short here. So I went ahead and took the short at this level here. 5 minutes gives time for the trade to play out. So I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade, come back, and we're going to check the results of this trade. Okay, so I'm back on the Great British Pound Japanese Yen short here. Took the short at this level here. This trade is going to be in the money. The Binary Quant Engine predicted a short here at this level that I took it at, and so let's wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for another signal. So the Quant Engine just generated a Euro JPY 5 minutes short. So I'm going to go ahead and select my Euro JPY asset. I have it already selected, 5 minutes short. So let's go ahead and take a short here at this level. Okay, so the Quant Engine recommended this trade here. I went ahead into my account, took the trade, Euro JPY 5 minutes short. So what I'm going to do is pause the video till about 30 seconds left, come back and check the results of this trade. Okay, so I'm back on the Euro Japanese Yen short here. There's a few seconds left. The short that I took at this level here, utilizing the trade command Quant Engine signal here. This is the short. So let's wait for the expiration of this trade here. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends and colleagues. I'll have a link if you're interested in getting some more information about the Trade Command Quant Engine in the video comments, as well as the trading platform that I utilize to take my trades. All that information is going to be in the video comments. I also wanted to take note that I've only been risking about 2 to 3% of my capital, uh, because generally there'll be some losses here and there, but the whole idea is that we get more winners than losers. And so by risking small percentages of our capital, we're going to be able to grow our account slowly but surely. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt, Trade Command, Binary Quant Engine.